So I have this brown pouch that I'm going to try to seal. So let's see how it works. So I've set it to, you can see here, I've set it to 4, between 4 and 5. So let's see what happens, how it does it. So I'm going to align this here with this. Then I have to hold it for some time. It has burnt a bit from here, you can see it, but the seal is not good. So I'm going to try it again. This time I'm going to put more pressure and increase it to like 5 or something. Press it harder, keep it like that. Yeah, look at this. It has sealed it now this time, but it has burnt it from here. Now if I open this, you can see it's so tightly sealed. So what you do is do like this, and then like normally you do. This tells me that I have done it a bit too close to this, so that means I have to try and do it a bit up. Let's try it with the other one. So this is a brand new one. I've opened this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it at this level, do the sealing at this level, at this notch level. So let's see how that goes. So what I'm going to do is put it right here, so that it's in the middle of this, and I'm going to hold it for a bit longer. I think that's enough. Okay, this time no burning, looks fine. And look at this. This looks really nice. It's all sealed up. So now if I do this, then I should have some more, chance of opening this. Yes, look at this. Looks fine. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.